We're here on the 39th floor of One Canada Square, which is still an iconic part of the skyline, recognised all around the world as an embodiment of London's financial services and trading centre.
Within Canary Wharf, there's 120,000 very smart people working in these big institutions and banks all around it. Here at level 39, we're actually occupying 3 floors of the tallest skyscraper, One Canada Square. When we first developed the space, we asked the designers to build us something which is kind of halfway between something very corporate and halfway between something very startup.
The visuals and the aesthetics of the space is to encourage networking and collaboration. Every facet of level 39 in its communal space has been designed to increase these collision points. You don't know who you're going to meet. It could be your next customer, your next supplier, your next business partner, and that's the environment around here.
The talent and the people based here are the lifeblood of what level 39 is. They're the sole driving force behind these great businesses, and what we do, level 39, is we help them grow with space, with support, with networking, and above all else, developing a strong community to tackle those big problems.
We have 48 different nationalities here in more than 200 companies, and the people who come to level 39 are really diverse in almost every respect except one. Their common characteristic is ambition. And this is a place where if you want to tackle big global issues of financial services, financial inclusion, technology change, this is the best place to do it.